This How to 1 Minute will show you how to connect Namecheap domain to Godaddy hosting. So here's I just purchased this hosting in my Godaddy account, and now I want to add my Namecheap account domain here. So follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. Open Godaddy website and click on sign in and sign into your account. Then click on your profile drop down and select my products. Here scroll down and click on web hosting, and here you will get your hosting. Now click on setup. And how do you want to get started? Select option from here, and here you have to add your domain and click on continue. Now select a data center and click on continue. Now you can create a WordPress website, but I'm going to selecting not now. Now click on I'm done, continue setup. And click on go to dashboard. And after that, you have to update your name server's domain a record. Now here click on server and you will get your IP address. So copy your IP address. Now go to your Namecheap account, log into your account and hover over on account and click on domain list. Log into your Namecheap dashboard and click on hosting list. Once you are in domain list, here you will get your domain. Click on manage. And here select advanced DNS. And here click on add new record and select a record. And inside of this IP address box, you have to paste this IP address. And in this host field, put @ and click on save. And this is how we can add Namecheap domain to Godaddy hosting. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.